Welcome to Chef Mariam's website recipe. Today, I want to share with you a delicious and healthy recipe that's perfect for vegetarians and meat eaters alike. It's called Palak Paneer, and it's a traditional Indian dish made with spinach and paneer, a type of Indian cheese. To make Palak Paneer, you'll need a few key ingredients. First, you'll need spinach, which is the main component of the dish. You can use fresh or frozen spinach, depending on your preference. Next, you'll need paneer, which is a type of cheese that is commonly used in Indian cooking. You can find paneer at most Indian grocery stores or online. Other ingredients include garlic, ginger, tomatoes, onions, and a blend of spices such as cumin, coriander, and garam masala. To start, you'll need to blanch the spinach in boiling water for a few minutes, then transfer it to a blender and puree it until it's smooth. In a separate pan, heat up some oil and add the garlic and ginger. Once they're fragrant, add in the diced onions and cook until they're soft and translucent. Next, add in the diced tomatoes and cook until they're soft and mushy. Then, pour in the spinach puree and cook for a few more minutes until it's heated through. Finally, add in the cubed paneer and cook for a few minutes until the cheese is heated through. Palak Paneer is a delicious and healthy dish that's packed with nutrients. Spinach is a superfood that's high in vitamins and minerals, while paneer is a good source of protein and calcium. This dish is also great for those who are looking to incorporate more vegetables into their diet, or for those who are looking for a vegetarian or meatless meal option. In conclusion, Palak Paneer is a classic Indian dish that's easy to make and full of flavor. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, this recipe is a great way to try your hand at Indian cooking. So why not give it a try and enjoy the delicious and healthy flavors of Palak Paneer today? Introduction. 1. Palak Paneer is a traditional Indian dish that is popular both in India and around the world. 2. The dish consists of spinach, which is cooked with a blend of spices, and paneer, a type of Indian cheese. 3. The combination of spinach and paneer creates a flavorful and nutritious dish that is high in vitamins, minerals, and protein. 4. Palak Paneer is a vegetarian dish that is perfect for those who are looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into their diet. 5. The dish is often served with naan bread or rice and is a great option for those who are looking for a healthy and delicious meal that is easy to make at home. Welcome to Chef Mariam's, a food blog, where I'll be sharing one of my favorite Indian recipes with you today, Palak Paneer. This delicious and nutritious dish is a great way to add more veggies and protein to your diet, and it's easy to make in your own kitchen. So let's get started. Ingredients. 1. 2 cups fresh spinach leaves, washed and chopped. 2. 1 cup paneer, cubed. 3. 1 onion, chopped. 4. 2 tomatoes, chopped. 5. 1 tablespoon ginger, minced. 6. 1 tablespoon garlic, minced. 7. 2 tablespoons oil. 8. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 9. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 10. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 11. Salt to taste. 12. 1/4 cup heavy cream, optional. 13. 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, dried fenugreek leaves. Directions. 1. In a large pot, bring water to a boil and blanch the spinach for 2 to 3 minutes. 2. Transfer the spinach to a blender and blend until smooth. 2. Set aside. 3. In a pan, heat the oil over medium heat. 3. Add cumin seeds and let them splutter. 4. Add onions and sauté until they turn translucent. 5. Add ginger and garlic and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until the raw smell disappears. 6. Add tomatoes and cook until they are soft and mushy. 7. Add coriander powder, garam masala, and salt. 7. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. 8. Add the spinach puree and mix well. 8. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the mixture thickens. 9. Add paneer cubes and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until they are heated through. 10. Add heavy cream, optional, and kasuri methi. 10. Mix well and cook for another minute. Your Palak Paneer is now ready to serve. This recipe serves 4 people and goes well with rice or naan bread. Here are some tips to help you make the perfect Palak Paneer. 1. To make the dish more flavorful, you can add some red chili powder or green chilies. 1. Adjust the amount based on your taste preference. 2. If you're using frozen spinach, make sure to thaw it completely and squeeze out all the water before blending. 3. Paneer can be easily made at home using milk and lemon juice or vinegar. 3. You can find many recipes online to guide you through the process. 4. If you don't have heavy cream, you can substitute it with half and half or yogurt. Palak Paneer is a classic Indian dish that is loved by people of all ages. It's not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that are essential for a healthy diet. The combination of spinach and paneer provides a good amount of protein, iron, calcium, and other important vitamins and minerals. And the best part is, it's easy to make in your own kitchen. So next time you're craving some Indian food, give this recipe a try and impress your family and friends with your culinary skills. Chef Mariam's special information. Palak Paneer is a dish that is close to my heart, and I've been making it for many years now. As an Indian-American chef, I grew up eating and cooking Indian food, and this dish has always been one of my favorites. One of the things that make my Palak Paneer special is the use of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. This ingredient adds a unique flavor and aroma to the dish that sets it apart from other Palak Paneer recipes. I also prefer to use fresh spinach instead of frozen, as it gives the dish a brighter color and a fresher taste. Another important aspect of making great Palak Paneer is the quality of the paneer. I always make my own paneer at home using high-quality milk and lemon juice, as store-bought paneer can sometimes be tough or rubbery. Homemade paneer is soft, creamy, and has a delicate flavor that complements the spinach perfectly. Finally, I like to add a touch of heavy cream to my Palak Paneer to make it richer and creamier. This is an optional ingredient, but it adds a luxurious texture and a subtle sweetness to the dish that balances out the spices. Overall, my Palak Paneer recipe is a combination of traditional Indian flavors and my own personal touches that I've developed over the years. It's a dish that's not only delicious but also reflects my cultural heritage and my passion for cooking.